Hey there, Little Mountain. Today we're going to be working with our rhythm patterns for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. We're going to review our rhythms, starting with apple, leaf, ice cream, avocado. Go ahead and clap those. 1, 2, ready, and apple, leaf, ice cream, avocado. And take a note at the bottom of the numbers that go with each notation. So when we look at the numbers, we're talking more about how many beats each note gets or how many half beats each note gets. So if we look at apple, we see it has 1 and. So it is now being divided into 2 half beats. Okay? 1 and. Or it could be 2 and, or 3 and, depending on where it is in the pattern. Okay? Then we have leaf, which is always going to be 1 beat. It could be on 1, it could be on 2, it could be on 3, or it could be on 4. With ice cream, it has 2 beats, which means it will always need to have 2 beats in the measure. So it could potentially be on beat 1, beat 2, or beat 3. And then we have avocado, which needs all 4 beats. So each time you see an avocado, there will only be 1 notation in each measure. So let's go ahead and move on. This first pattern is really similar to what we started with last time, and we're going to continue working that way. Eventually, we will add another bar of beats and rhythms. So here we go. Let's try and figure out what this one says. Using the key above, we see that it says apple, ice cream, leaf, avocado. Let's go ahead and clap it together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and apple, ice cream, leaf, avocado. Good job. So now let's have you try it by yourself. 1, 2, ready, and. Great. And if that's proving to be really easy, let's try it with the numbers. I'll count us in. Go ahead and try and clap with me, and then I'll give you a chance to do it by yourself. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, a handy dandy trick for counting with numbers is to line up the notation with the number that's below it. So we see 1 and just below our apple. We see the 2 just below the half note or ice cream. We see the 4 just below the leaf or the quarter note. And then we see the 1 just below the avocado. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pattern. After I give you a chance to clap the numbers by yourselves. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. All right, here we go. Next one. Take 10 seconds. Figure out the pattern, and then we're just going to go right in. All right, here we go. It goes like this. Apple, leaf, ice cream, ice cream. Go ahead and clap that by yourself. 1, 2, ready, and. Great. Now let's try it with the numbers. So it says 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try clapping it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now by yourself. 1, 2, ready, and. Great. Moving on to our next slide. Now, this is when we start to add more rhythms and beats. So we have a whole nother measure of 4. We now have 3 measures of 4. So let's add 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. That equals 12. We can also look at it like this. 4 times 3 is also 12. There are 3 sections, and each section has 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. So let's see how we've broken up our 12 beats into rhythms. Okay. Our first measure says leaf, apple, ice cream. Our second measure says apple, leaf, leaf, leaf. And our third measure says avocado. Now remember, we clap for specific notations and words in specific ways. So let's go ahead and try it. 1, 2, ready, and leaf, apple, ice cream, apple, leaf, leaf, oh, I'm so sorry. I messed up. Let's try again. Oh, goodness. Here we go. Leaf, apple, ice cream, apple, leaf, 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 avocado. All right, good job. So now let's try it with the numbers. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1. Oh, I messed up again. This is quite challenging, right? So let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now your turn all by yourself. 1, 2, ready, and 1. All right, moving on to our next one. Let's see if we can get this one a little bit stronger. So, we've got apple, leaf, 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 avocado, leaf, apple, ice cream. Okay, so let's try and clap it together. 1, 2, ready, and apple, leaf, 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 avocado, leaf, apple, ice cream. All right, now I'm going to challenge you. I'm not going to clap it this time. I'm going to challenge you to take the numbers below and try and clap the pattern by counting the numbers. All right, I'm going to say them, but I'm not going to clap. All right, it goes like this: 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Your turn. 1, 2, ready, and. All right, now I'm going to clap it for you so that you can have an example of what it should sound like. I hope that you practiced it without me. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good job. Now, I believe that is all I have for you today. I sure hope that you're doing well, and I sure hope that you are staying home and being safe. I really hope that we get to see you soon, and I will talk to you or see you in another video.